Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys have been liking all the vlogs I'm uploading. Hopefully I uploaded some. This is pre-recorded, guys. Disclaimer. Just letting you know. Alright, so today I've been wanting to do like a magnetic lash for so freaking long, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. So, this is wish.com magnetic lash time. So I ordered magnetic lashes. This is how they came. They had a little plastic thing over them. Usual wait time with Wish, like 2, 3, 4 weeks, right? At least I got them. But there's 2 sets. Like, bro, how do these work? I just thought about that. So you put them on and then... Well, that doesn't make sense. Hang on. I'm literally like... Maybe the thing's on here. Oh, you put them together. Okay. Oh my gosh, they're flying everywhere. I have the fan on. This is what, 3-second lash? I apparently decided to come closer instead of zooming in. So you guys, I got 2 lashes. It fell. See if they stick. They do. Oh. Okay. Let's try to pull them apart. These things, I'm gonna drop them more than freaking anything. So like, I've been wanting to try like the 3-second lashes forever, but like, dude, the as seen on TV ones, whoa, they're like $30. So I was on Wish, just strolling through, and I happened to see them. I think they were free too, bro. So there's like $2 or $3, you know, for shipping. And I don't know, even if they weren't free, you know, there's always gonna be a time that they are free because that's just Wish. So I wanted to test them for you guys and myself. Because if they work, obviously, get them off a Wish, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. That way it's way cheaper. I kind of ripped the magnet off. I just wanted to see if they would stick before I... Alright. I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how the angles are going to be. I'm sorry. We're going to find out. You'll hear, like... You'll, like, hear me going crazy. Okay. I really don't know what the hell I'm doing. I don't even know what frick my eyelashes, bro. Like, seriously, let me get this mirror. This is gonna be a mess. Let me kind of, just so you guys can like see what I'm doing. Can you see what I'm doing? Hopefully you can. Okay, here goes. I don't think that's right. They stuck together though. You know? So like, yeah, I don't want to do it that way though. I probably want to do it, I'm just trying to figure out how to put them on so they're like flush with each other. So I have to put one up top, obviously. So I'm just going to set this one right there, you guys. And then, oh my gosh, it fell off again. This whole 3-second shit is a load of crap. I'm pretty sure it's gone. Never mind, I found it. Looks like dog hair on the floor. Okay. Like, I'm not a person that usually wears lashes. But I feel like this is more tedious than actually gluing lashes on. So again, If I drop this thing one more time, bro, I'm stressed. Like AF. Like stressed AF. Like for real. Okay. So, you go down here. You go up here. Like they freaking stuck together and then they came off of my finger. Okay. This video is already 8 minutes long. It should only been like 30 seconds. Alright, so I'm gonna set this. No, it's wrong. How do I do this? Like this? Yeah. And it fell again. So I'm gonna try to just set this on my eye. So this whole like do it at the same time bullshit? Yeah, no. You guys just fell again! This has got to be like the angriest 3-second lash video. Pretty sure I know the title of this freaking video! There's like freaking dust on it now. Like, bro. Alright. Stay the fuck there. Don't fucking move, bro. So, like, I'm trying really hard. Is this what it's supposed to look like? But like for real. Okay. So you guys see I'm putting one on top. I don't know if you can see this or not, to be honest. But I don't even know what to do anymore. Put one on top. Nope. We're done. We're done. I can't do this. Because here's the thing, you guys. The thing about... Let me move you back up. The thing about magnetic lashes is that it's supposed to be faster, simpler, and easier, so you don't have to freaking use glue. We're gonna have a little experiment. Might as well make this a longer video. Literally. Just go... I just went through my makeup shit. I found some random ass adhesive. Some random ass eyelashes. I think I got these from... Man, I don't even know the name of that store. Now let me tell you guys something. I do not wear eyelashes. Like, ever. I think I put them on like twice in my life. Half the time I throw them across the room. Yeah, it's not me. I can't do it. I have no patience. I will be the first person to admit that. Like, I'm just... Yeah, apparently I just drop little shit all the time. Okay. So this is by Clean Color. I guess it's eyeshadow. What's this stuff called? Glue. It's eye glue. To put on the lashes. Okay. We got some random ass lashes. Again, I don't wear this shit, y'all. But this is going to be the test. Because if I can successfully... Did I open this? Like, isn't it supposed to come out? I dropped one more fucking thing. I don't know, man. This glue might be old as AF. Yeah, it just literally popped out of the bottom. Okay, well, we're not using that. Yeah, they're kind of sticky. I'm gonna get some freaking eyelash glue from freaking I don't know where, and I'm gonna put this shit on just so I can prove that these 3-second lashes are bullshit. Okay, bye.